After my last video about boiling rags in baking soda, hundreds of you told me I was using the wrong product. A lot of people said I should be using borax, others said washing soda did a better job than baking soda, and then OxiClean or sodium carbonate peroxide came up a lot. Thanks to your recommendations, I decided to put 3 of these to the test and see which one worked best. Here's a little peek at the water after boiling the rags in each of those different products. I'll let you guess which is which. Now, obviously, this is a not so scientific experiment. There's lots of variables, but I did start off with all of the same rags that were washed together with nothing but hot water and laundry detergent, and then I dried them, and then we're going to go from there. I divided them into 3 equal groups, so there are 2 rags per product. And I tried to pick rags that were kind of a similar kind of yellowish gray stain. And so I did pull out any that were exceptionally white or that were exceptionally stained. And then I chose the products that were easy for me to find locally, that were reasonably priced, and ones that I felt comfortable using in my own home. I know there are dozens of other laundry additives out there, but I'm not trying to test everything on the market. I just simply want to find out what works best for me. Another thing worth mentioning is that I have very hard alkaline water. Water chemistry can affect cleaning, so your results may be different than mine. I just wanted to mention that we're not all starting from the same playing field. So I try to keep things as equal as possible, so I'm using the same pot for each experiment, starting off with borax. And I used 1/4 cup of borax in this water, so I'm going to guess this is maybe a gallon of water. Then I set the timer for 30 minutes and then periodically stirred the rags to agitate them. Then I pulled the rags out into a strainer, rinsed them really well, and then I hung them out to dry. Then I washed the pot out and then did the next experiment. This is with soda ash, which is basically the same thing as washing soda. I happened to have this on hand and didn't want to make another purchase. I added 1/4 cup to the water and then I added my rags. Soda ash or washing soda is considered caustic, so I did wear gloves during this portion. Just be sure to do your own research, read up on this stuff. Some of these things shouldn't be mixed or mixed with other components, and some need safety precautions, so just a little heads up. And also, because I don't think everybody caught it on my last video, I'm using 100% cotton rags. You cannot boil plastic material like microfiber, it will melt it. Also, there was some concern that dye was leaching into the water and that was what was changing colors. These were originally white. I don't think there is dye in it. They were probably bleached at the factory. And also my pot is stainless steel. Okay, back to the experiment. Again, I took those rags out, put them in the colander, rinsed them really well, and then hung them on the line to dry. And for the last one, I used OxiClean. This one I did not boil. I was doing some research and it said it doesn't do as well boiling. So I kept it around 90 degrees Celsius, which is 200 degrees or so Fahrenheit. So I just wanted to explain that up front. And also the OxiClean directions say to add the OxiClean after you add the clothes. So that's what I did with this test. Once again, I used about 1/4 cup, and I will say I was really worried this was going to spill over. It foamed up a lot. I'm assuming that's the peroxide in it. So be really careful if you decide to do this at home. It was very close to making a humongous mess. And again, I set the timer for 30 minutes and used a spoon to agitate it periodically. After 30 minutes, I pulled out the rags, gave them a good rinse, and hung them out to dry. And here is the water that I saved from each of those boiling cycles. Here's borax, soda ash, which is by far the darkest, and then OxiClean. So the question now is, does that darker water mean whiter rags? Before I tell you which product is which, look at this and tell me which rag you think is the cleanest. Honestly, this experiment answered some questions and it created a few more. To my eyes, the OxiClean rag came out the brightest, even though it produced the lightest looking water. The soda ash created the darkest water by far, and I think it has a place for the occasional deep cleaning or laundry stripping in my home. The one thing I didn't love was the fragrance of this particular OxiClean, and next time I will be sure to buy the fragrance-free version. As for the Borax, right now I don't see enough of a difference to justify keeping it on my shelf. This experience also made me wonder something else. My original rag video used baking soda. Since I always keep baking soda in my pantry anyway, I can't help but wonder how it would compare directly to soda ash. That's probably an experiment for another day. If you've tried any of these products, I'd love to hear what works in your home. I did link some of the products I used below, so check those out. And thank you so much for joining me on this adventure.